says that all newborn babies communicate by using 5 universal sounds, and all babies all over the world use the same sounds. The words sound very similar when you first hear them, but Priscilla says that after listening to them a few times, that you, as a mother, can learn to quickly identify each one and understand what your baby is saying to you.
The first word is ne.
Ne.
And this is the word for hunger.
Ne. Word.
The next word is ow, and that's a word for sleeping, and this is based on a yawn reflex. So if you yawn, you go, oh, so, and you'll get an oval-shaped mouth.
Now, you've uncovered a word that you say means discomfort. What is that?
Yes, this is the word he, and you're listening for the H part of this sound.
Because he and ne.
The next sound is air, and this is a lower sound. So if you imagine that your stomach is tightened down here, and you go, breathe in to your stomach and go,
Oh, I know what that means. Thin, yeah. What?
The next one is eh, and this is when there's an air bubble in the top part of the chest and the body's using a reflex to get the air out. So it's
Ne.